In this video, we're exploring the California desert, winding our way up steep mountain trails and into the Sequoia National Forest. I find myself immersed in a beautiful snow-laden forest, crossing creeks and running into some challenges. This weekend's weather is predicted to be the most challenging weather I have experienced yet. Will I make it through the winter blizzard? What is going on, you guys? So I am somewhere in the desert just north of California City in California. We're expecting blizzard conditions. I'm looking at the news here and it says weather storm warning remains in effect till Sunday. Heavy snow is expected, 6 to 12 inches. In the Sierra Nevada foothills, we're heading into the Sequoia National Forest. And so yeah, I do hope it snows. We're gonna get up into 6,200 feet of elevation. So we should hopefully get some snow, and I'll see you guys on the trail. Also, this is the same area that I broke my spindle, so you already know I am going to stop where I broke my spindle. And I don't know, maybe have a little memorial service. So see you guys on the trail. All right, so the winds are so bad, I can't even put the drone up. I put the drone up and it literally flew into the side of the hill right here. Yeah. So we'll see. Maybe no drone this video. As I drive through the California desert, the Joshua trees surround me. There's a profound silence, broken only by the hum of my tires moving across the dirt roads. The beauty of this solitude is unparalleled, and it felt great to be back on another solo adventure. All right, you guys, so this is the spot that the spindle snapped. I was stuck here overnight, 27 hours here. Pretty cool to be back, but now I got the cambered spindles that are super beefy, so they're not gonna break. In solitude, we meet ourselves, away from the noise, the distractions, and the expectations of others. There is a silence where our true selves whisper.
It's in these quiet moments alone that we can listen deeply, exploring the uncharted territories of our inner landscapes. Here, free from judgment and external influence, we discover our passions, our fears, and our dreams. It's a journey of introspection, where every step taken in solitude is a step closer to understanding who we truly are. Only when we're alone can we strip away the facade and face the essence of our being. In solitude, we don't find loneliness, we find our own company, the most enlightening conversation we've been avoiding all along.
We're now in the snow, and it's extremely windy. There's already a few inches of fresh powder on the ground, and according to what I read, one place said 6 to 12 inches, another one said like 5 to 6 inches. Whoa. Yeah. I'm honestly a little concerned, number one, being by myself, just because if there is, a foot of snow that comes down, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to drive out on this road. Foot of snow is pretty deep for the Tacoma with 35s. I start hitting the front skid plate there, but we got probably another 15-ish miles to go. I'm gonna try to get to camp. Alright, so I'm honestly kind of embarrassed because I was just reversing and I got myself stuck in the snow, and it was just like the video where I got to slide off the ledge, except there's not a huge ledge, but I slid right to the side. This sucks. So let's see if I can get myself out. Alright, you guys, so I got the front tire dug out, traction board there. Now I got to dig out the rear. Bunker Industries, I hope you're watching. We did it! That was the fastest recovery ever. Boom. Alright, I'm moving forward. Alright, you guys, so we are unstuck. Now what I'm going to do is put the traction boards where I want my tires to go. That way, when I'm looking through my passenger side mirror, I won't do that again. I'll use these as a little marker, and they'll also give me traction where I need it. impressed with these traction boards. They definitely work. All right, you guys, so I was gonna go down the other trail, but there's a locked gate, so can't go that way. There's a really good spot right here in front of me, but I am looking at people hanging out with Can-Ams, and they're just starting their little fire pit right now. So I have another idea. There is another spot down the way. I'm gonna go check that out. Running for you, Daisy. We got shelter, and it's snowing. Bring on the blizzard, I guess. Oh, Daisy, you are a warm little munchkin. All right, you guys, we got Daisy in the cold. Now, I haven't brought her camping in a very long time because I don't like to bring her in the cold, but I didn't want to spend a weekend without her. Aww. She's been in the truck with the heater on. I'm gonna let her run around a little bit and then put her back inside the truck. That way she can warm up again. She wants to go run around, I can feel it. You're a crazy dog, you know that? It's like 20 degrees out here. You're running around. You're gonna have to go back in the truck now. I don't want you to freeze, dude. Alright you guys, so you probably think that I'm gonna make some ramen right now, but it is lunchtime and we're gonna make quesadillas. Got the tortillas, we got the cheese, and we got the Yellowbird sriracha. Let's do this. Oh yeah, there we go. This propane's probably frozen. Pretty awesome. And we got the pan. It's super windy out there and it's cold. Quesadillas, winter quesadillas. Pretty delicious. I'm gonna have a few of these and then I'll catch up with you guys. We got some sideways snow coming in. It's hitting the fire. I put the awning here so it try to block it. But like I said, it's coming in sideways. So I'm hoping if I can get the fire big enough, it'll be good. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind. It's crazy out here. Well, this weather is crazy. It's really windy. And I've been looking around for widowmakers, trees that look like they want to fall over. And I don't see any around here. But with all this wind, it still kind of makes me nervous, you know? So we'll see, the fire's going. You probably can't even hear me because all the wind. I now have my own website, johnnytacooutdoors.com. If you really want to support me, the best way to support me would be to shop on my website. Just about everything that you see me use as far as camping gear goes is on the website. I do have some like portable battery stuff, solar stuff, but yeah, I got my t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, my t-shirts are on there. By the time this video goes out, I should have my jackets on there also, but it is probably going to be, well, for summertime, I'm going to have tank tops. Those are in the works. Yeah, so go check out the website. I'm gonna enjoy this fire in this winter wonderland. I'll catch you guys in a bit.
In solitude, we find a sanctuary for peace and healing. It's only when we step away from the busy world, removing ourselves from the constant pull of others' needs and desires, that we can truly listen to the gentle rhythms of our own heart. Alone, we are given the rare opportunity to sit with our thoughts, to understand our pains, and to embrace the innermost feelings without distraction. This sacred solitude acts as a balm, soothing the wounds we carry, allowing us to mend the fragments of our souls in a way that company, no matter how comforting, could never achieve. It's in these moments of undisturbed reflection that we discover healing is not a destination, but a journey, one that starts within the quiet spaces of our own being.
I had no idea that there was a creek running through the camp right here. Pretty awesome. It keeps snowing on and off. I already burned through the 3 bundles of wood because, you know, that Vaughn's wood burns real fast. I just started up the diesel heater. I am gonna probably get in there pretty early tonight, but man, what a absolutely beautiful place. This is super cool to come out here by myself. It's just magical, man. Magical. Amazing. There's nothing like this. Growing up in California, I didn't experience a lot of snow until I started doing the whole overland camping thing. All right, you guys. The sound of the diesel heater is a good thing. I'm gonna put Daisy up in the camper here. It's probably a little bit warm by now. But if you guys are watching and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Appreciate it. Leave a comment below if you like the video. I post videos every Sunday at 6 p.m. if you're new to the channel. And thank you for watching if you're coming back. Daisy's getting a little crazy. I think the smoke was bothering her. I gotta get her in the camper. Alright, you guys, so I have been in bed for a couple hours now. It's 30 degrees outside. We're warm. The diesel heater, Daisy is warm. But with all this wind going outside, it might be crazy, but I usually wear earplugs. Even if that means I can't hear something, but I just sleep better. Even with the earplugs in, it's so loud and I can't seem to like calm down because I think I'm worried about like a tree falling because the wind out there is pretty good. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take off, but tune in next Sunday because next week I'm gonna be on the road and I'm going to Arizona with White Dog Overland. The guy's name's Cody. It's a really cool channel, Arizona local. We're gonna go on a long trip, at least 4 or 5 nights. Then after that, I'll probably go on my own trip, and I don't even know where I'm going yet, but it's gonna be epic. It's crazy out here. I'm good. I'm good. I'm only a few hours from home, so. It's gonna be an interesting drive going out. It's probably gonna be crazy muddy, but see you guys next Sunday. Make sure to tune in. It's gonna be Arizona videos. Have a great week.